9/11's my favourite.
9/11, I think, happened. I don't think the Americans did it. I think there's an argument to be had that maybe they suspected something was coming and let it happen.
Okay.
The theory that the Americans did it themselves, I don't think it's true.
All of the things I've consumed over the years, I've never seen a building fall like that.
But have you seen many buildings been hit by a plane? It's quite a rare occurrence.
It didn't go down like a plane had hit it.
Other
It went
buildings have
down like
you
a
seen
controlled demolition.
Just listening in amazement at the things I'm hearing.
Me and Bez will get the bottom of this one, don't you worry.
You'll figure out 9/11.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Watch out, Ethan, it's quite a tight squeeze here.
You don't want a girlfriend?
Not right now, no.
Listen, Violet, I'm sorry. Corinna, sorry. He's off the market.
To be fair, the answer is the same to them, to be quite honest. I don't want a relationship.
Mate, if Corinna came and said, I want to date you, Bazinga, you'd be fucking licking her feet. What are you talking about? Lockie and Vic coming in. Kill him. Yeah, bend out, go. Alright, kill him. Yes! Oh my fucking god, I told you!